In grown-ups, strange mumbles are frequently because of obtained heart valve issues. In youngsters, strange murmurs are normally brought about by underlying issues of the heart, intrinsic heart deserts. Basic intrinsic deformities that reason heart murmurs include openings in the heart, known as septal imperfections. Openings in the heart might be not kidding, contingent upon the size of the opening and its area. Heart shunts. Cardiovascular shunts happen when there's a strange bloodstream between the heart chambers or veins, which may prompt a heart murmur. Heart valve issues present from birth. Models incorporate valves that don't permit sufficient blood through them, stenosis, or those that don't close as expected and break, disgorging. In more seasoned youngsters and grown-ups, reasons for strange heart murmurs incorporate contaminations and conditions that harm the designs of the heart. For instance, valve calcification.